Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable low audio latency mode for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds SE2. You have to start by open HUAWEI Life application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it at the device list. Tap on it. And then you need to go to the settings at the right bottom. And right here at the first line we have low audio latency, so to enable it you need to click one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!